Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top 5 best AB roller wheels on the market. From intelligent rebound features to durable designs, these rollers offer something for everyone from beginners to seasoned athletes. Let's break down each model with its pros and cons so you can decide which one is the best fit for your workout needs. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Jocestyle AB roller wheel. The Jocestyle AB roller wheel promises a versatile and effective workout experience designed for users at various fitness levels. From its space-saving design to advanced features like intelligent rebound and brake assistance, this roller aims to enhance core strength and stability. Let's break down the pros and cons of this product to see if it lives up to the hype. Pros. Poor, non-slip, detachable handle. The Jocestyle AB roller features an ergonomic, non-slip handle that ensures a secure grip during workouts. Its textured surface enhances comfort and endurance, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Additionally, the detachable handle makes storage and transportation easier, perfect for users with limited space or who travel frequently. Anti-slip design with wear-resistant texture stability is crucial when using an AB roller, and the Jocestyle model doesn't disappoint. Its anti-slip design, combined with wear-resistant textures on the sidewalls and wheels, ensures that the roller maintains grip on various surfaces. This makes it safe for beginners while ensuring durability and longevity, even with regular use. High-quality thickened springs. The thickened springs integrated into the design provide consistent resistance throughout your workout. This ensures a challenging and effective exercise session, promoting core muscle development. The durability of these springs means they won't easily wear out, promising long-term reliability. Intelligent rebound and brake assistance for beginners. Controlling movement with an AB roller can be difficult, but the Jocestyle AB roller comes equipped with intelligent rebound and brake assistance. This feature offers added control when starting and stopping movements, reducing the risk of injury while building user confidence. Cons. Limited weight capacity. The product description does not specify a maximum weight capacity, which could be a concern for heavier users. Potential buyers may need to contact the manufacturer for more information on whether this roller is suitable for their body weight. The Jocestyle AB roller wheel offers a range of features designed to support both beginners and more experienced fitness enthusiasts. Its non-slip handle, durable design, and intelligent rebound system make it a strong contender in the AB roller market. Coming in at number 4, we have the Saien A419 AB roller wheel. The Saien A419 AB roller wheel stands out as a fitness tool designed for those looking to strengthen their core while ensuring ease of use, comfort, and safety. This AB roller offers a range of features that make it appealing to both beginners and fitness enthusiasts. This video we explore its key attributes, along with its pros and cons, to help you determine whether it's the right addition to your workout routine. Pros. Excellent value. The inclusion of a free knee pad and the overall affordable price make this AB roller an attractive option for those looking for a budget-friendly core workout tool. Wide wheel for stability. The 3.55-inch ultra-wide wheel ensures balance and prevents side-to-side deviations, making it a safer and more stable option compared to narrower AB rollers. Quiet and comfortable. The soft rubber wheel surface and rubber cotton handle provide a quiet workout experience, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Durable and safe. With a high-strength stainless steel shaft that supports up to 600 pounds, the Saien A419 is built to last and handle intense workout sessions. Compact and portable. The removable handles make the roller easy to store and transport, so you can take it with you for workouts wherever you go. Cons. Limited to core exercises. While highly effective for core strengthening, the Saien A419 AB roller may not provide much versatility for full-body workouts. Users seeking a more comprehensive fitness tool may need to supplement their routines with additional equipment. The Saien A419 AB roller wheel is a well-designed, budget-friendly fitness tool for those looking to target their core muscles. Its wide wheel, quiet operation, and ergonomic features make it a great choice for home or gym workouts. At number 3, the Awon R001 AB roller wheel. The Awon R001 AB roller wheel is a compact fitness tool designed for users looking to strengthen their core and improve their overall fitness. Marketed as a crunch artifact for home and gym workouts, it promises to be a quiet, efficient, and effective solution for abdominal training. Let's explore the pros and cons to determine if it lives up to its claims. Pros. Silent operation. One of the standout features of the Awon R001 AB roller is its promise of noiseless operation. Whether you're working out early in the morning or late at night, this feature ensures you won't disturb others, making it an ideal option for home use. Compact and portable. The Awon R001 is small and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. Its compact size allows for convenient storage at home, and it's portable enough to bring along to the gym or even when traveling, ensuring you never miss a core workout. Suitable for home and gym workouts, designed for both home and gym use, the Awon R001 offers flexibility in where you can train. Whether you prefer the privacy of your living room or the energy of a gym, this roller can be easily integrated into any setting, catering to users with varying workout preferences. Strengthens core muscles. The primary goal of the Awon R001 AB roller is to target and strengthen the abdominal muscles. Regular use can help enhance core stability, improve posture, and increase overall strength. It's an efficient tool for those looking to tone their abs while also engaging other muscle groups like the shoulders and back. Cons. Basic design and features. Unlike more advanced AB rollers, the Awon R001 lacks features like adjustable resistance or multi-angle training. Its design is straightforward, which may not be ideal for users looking for more versatility in their workouts. The Awon R001 AB roller wheel is a solid choice for users seeking a quiet, portable, and affordable solution for core workouts. Its compact size and noiseless operation make it convenient for home use, while its ability to strengthen core muscles adds value to any fitness routine. In the second spot, we have the Lycheer AB roller wheel. The Lycheer AB roller wheel is a core strengthening tool designed with a focus on stability, safety, and user comfort. Its mechanical design and thoughtful features make it an attractive option for anyone looking to enhance their AB workout routine. In this video, we will explore the roller's standout qualities and assess its pros and cons to help you decide if it meets your fitness needs. Pros. High stability and safety. Thanks to its stable mechanical design and the golden triangle structure, the Lycheer AB roller offers excellent balance, minimizing the risk of tipping or wobbling during workouts. This makes it a safer choice, especially for beginners who may struggle with traditional AB rollers. Comfortable grip. The handles, covered in sweat-absorbing sponge material, provide a comfortable grip and prevent slippage during exercise. This ensures that users can focus on their form and technique without worrying about their hands slipping. Durable and resistant materials. The roller is built with anti-odor and wear-resistant materials, making it long-lasting and hygienic. The anti-slip surface further enhances the workout experience by providing a steady grip on the floor. Suitable for all levels with its focus on stability and safety, the Lycheer AB roller is well suited for users at all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this roller offers a reliable and effective way to engage your core muscles. Cons. Bulky design. While the golden triangle design offers increased stability, it may also make the roller slightly bulkier compared to simpler models. This could be a consideration for users looking for a more compact, portable option. The Lycheer AB roller wheel is a thoughtfully designed tool that prioritizes stability, safety, and comfort. Its golden triangle structure ensures excellent balance, while the sweat-absorbing, anti-slip handles provide a comfortable and secure grip during intense workouts. The use of durable, odor-resistant materials also ensures longevity and hygiene. However, like most AB rollers, its focus is primarily on core exercises, and its performance may be limited on uneven surfaces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Joshe JRXH8580 AB roller wheel. The Joshe JRXH8580 AB roller wheel is designed to elevate your core workout routine with advanced features like automatic rebound and durable construction. Marketed as an abdominal muscle trainer, this roller aims to deliver an effective at-home or gym workout experience for users looking to tone their abs and improve overall fitness. Let's explore its pros and cons to determine whether it's a worthwhile investment. Pros. automatic rebound feature. The standout feature of the Joshe JRXH8580 AB roller wheel is its automatic rebound mechanism. This functionality helps users smoothly return to the starting position, reducing strain on the lower back and arms. It's especially useful for beginners or those who find traditional ab rollers challenging, as it provides better control and assistance during workouts. Effective core muscle training. This AB roller is designed to target and engage your core muscles, helping you build strength and tone your abdominal area. Regular use of the Joshe JRXH8580 can lead to improved core stability, better posture, and enhanced endurance, making it an excellent tool for fitness enthusiasts at various levels. Full body engagement. While the primary focus of the Joshe JRXH8580 is on the abs, its design allows you to engage multiple muscle groups during your workout. As you roll, you activate muscles in your shoulders, arms, and back, providing a comprehensive upper body workout with each movement. Cons: no additional resistance levels, unlike more advanced AB rollers that allow you to adjust resistance for increased difficulty. The Joshe JRXH8580 lacks this feature. For more experienced users, this may limit the potential for progressive overload as your strength improves, potentially making the device less challenging over time. The Joshe JRXH8580 AB roller wheel is an excellent fitness tool for users who want extra support during their core workouts. Its automatic rebound feature makes it beginner-friendly, while its sturdy design ensures it holds up in both home and gym environments. The roller's ability to engage multiple muscle groups makes it a versatile piece of equipment, offering a more comprehensive workout experience.